When you're transitioning through divorce, it's easy to complain, explain, and blame. That is the problem. What if you chose today to create a mantra for yourself? No complaining, no blaming, no explaining. You would begin to see your life shift from victim to owner, from woe is me to I'm empowered and I can handle this, from negativity to positivity, from sadness, doom, and gloom to happiness, joy, positivity, move forward, growth. So, what's the problem with blame? Blame is when you never take responsibility for anything, or you sometimes don't take responsibility for something. And people that live in blame, they are often blaming things. It gets to the point where they stub their toe on a chair and they blame the chair for being there, or they are late for work and they blame the kids for taking up all their time in the morning and not making it on time to work. Living in blame and blaming is very detrimental to you as a human being. It's understandable that during this time you want to blame someone. But the sooner you can accept and take responsibility for your life the way that it is right now, the sooner you're going to be able to move forward and create an amazing life. Literally create any life that you want. If you decide right now, I'm not going to blame anyone anymore, ever. I'm going to take responsibility. I'm going to own my life, and I'm going to create the life that I want. No explaining. You will have family, friends, professionals, doctors, lawyers, mom, dad, everyone giving you advice during this time. Social media is filled with what you should do and shouldn't do. How about you take some time, some quiet time, to think about what you want for yourself and for your family? Make decisions, take actions based on what you want for yourself and your family, and don't explain or justify your reasons or your actions to anyone. And no complaining. Well, complaining just brings you down. Complaining fuels negativity. It fuels living in the past. You're complaining about this person, you're complaining about this situation. If you're complaining about the way things are right now, maybe you don't have as much money as you want. There's a million reasons that you can be complaining right now. But if you choose not to complain and you choose to own where you're at, to be grateful for what you have, to see joy in small things, little things, there's joy all around you. But if you're focused on complaining, you're not going to see it. So a great mantra to live by: no blame, no complain, and no explain. And remember, you are loved. You are perfect just the way that you are. And you deserve to be happy. You can choose to be happy.